Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall QuickBooks Desktop on macOS, full guide step by step clearly. To uninstall QuickBooks Desktop on macOS, begin by closing all open QuickBooks applications. Open Finder, which is located in the dock at the bottom of your screen. In the Finder menu, click on Applications to access your installed applications. Scroll through the Applications folder until you find the QuickBooks Desktop icon. Once you locate QuickBooks Desktop, click on it to select it. Drag the QuickBooks Desktop icon from the Applications folder to the trash bin in the dock. Alternatively, you can right-click on the QuickBooks Desktop icon and select Move to Trash. After moving QuickBooks to the trash, you need to empty the trash to complete the uninstallation. To do this, right-click on the trash bin and select Empty Trash. This will permanently delete QuickBooks Desktop from your Mac. Next, to remove additional files associated with QuickBooks, open Finder again. In the menu bar at the top, click on Go and then select Go to Folder. In the dialog box that appears, type in /library and click Go. In the Library folder, look for the Application Support folder. Open Application Support and locate any folders related to QuickBooks. Drag any QuickBooks-related folders to the trash. Next, return to the Library folder and look for the Preferences folder. Open the Preferences folder and search for any files that include QuickBooks in their names. Drag these QuickBooks preference files to the trash as well. Once you have removed all associated files, right-click on the trash bin once more and choose Empty Trash. With all steps completed, QuickBooks Desktop is now fully uninstalled from your macOS system. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.